Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for legally sound, business-ready contracts. If you're a freelancer or client looking to secure a professional working relationship, you know how important it is to have a clear, legally binding freelancer agreement. Whether you're a designer, writer, developer, or consultant, having the right contract in place prevents disputes, payment issues, and protects your intellectual property. Why freelancer agreements matter. A well-drafted freelancer agreement ensures that both the freelancer and client are on the same page from day one. It defines the scope of work, sets payment terms, and helps avoid misunderstandings or disputes down the line. At Filings Corner, we specialize in creating customized contracts tailored to your specific freelance engagement, ensuring your interests are protected and your work is clearly defined. Why choose Filings Corner? So why should you choose Filings Corner for your freelancer agreement? Our agreements are expertly drafted by our team of CAs, CSs, MBAs, and lawyers, ensuring they meet legal requirements and industry best practices. Every contract is customized to your business, role, and project needs, whether you're a freelancer or a client hiring one. We focus on making your agreement legally binding with IP protection, confidentiality clauses, and payment security built in. With our contracts, there's no ambiguity, just crystal clear terms that ensure smooth professional relationships. And we offer fast delivery and ongoing support, including revisions whenever necessary. What's included in a freelancer agreement? Explained clearly. So, what does a freelancer agreement from Filings Corner include? We start by defining the scope of work, outlining the specific tasks, milestones, and deadlines that need to be met. Next, we set the payment structure, which can cover hourly rates, fixed-price models, retainer agreements, or milestone-based payments, whatever fits your project. We clarify intellectual property, IP rights, so both parties know who owns the work and how it can be used. We also include confidentiality clauses to protect sensitive business data and any non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, where necessary. Additionally, we outline termination clauses, specifying the conditions under which the agreement can be ended and addressing refunds or notice periods. And of course, we build in dispute resolution methods, like mediation or arbitration, to help resolve conflicts without the need for litigation. We also specify the governing laws that apply. To keep everything compliant, we ensure the agreement adheres to local and international tax regulations and other legal requirements. And finally, we define clear client and freelancer responsibilities, setting mutual expectations to prevent future issues. Our simple, expert-driven process. Here's how we work at Filings Corner. Step 1 is a consultation, where we understand your freelance service, industry, and specific project needs. Then we move on to drafting the contract, ensuring it's clear, comprehensive, and legally sound. Next, we review and refine the document based on your feedback, ensuring every detail aligns with your expectations. Once finalized, we provide you with a legally binding agreement, ready to sign and get to work. And even after the contract is signed, we offer post-signing support, including assistance with future revisions or clarifications. Call to action, empowering close. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your custom freelancer agreement drafted by experts who understand both business and law. Filings Corner, helping you work smarter, stay secure, and build stronger client relationships.